The difference between theoretical and actual capacity are all reasons that cause us to lose time. This is the same whether we're talking about a machine, a process, a system of processes, a factory, or a taxi. So, here's the list. Setups and changeover downtime. Time lost making defects or making scrap. Slow running, which is running the process slower than you could safely go. We have time lost due to breakdowns and unplanned maintenance. Coordination conflicts and supply shortages, which is lost time waiting for stuff. We have variability in process times. The same process doesn't always take exactly the same time every time. Then we have time lost fixing quality problems or doing rework. We've got planned maintenance, and even when businesses think they are tracking all the causes of lost time, of lost capacity, when they add up all the losses and add it to the productive time and compare that total against the total time, there's usually still more lost time which is unaccounted for. Data collection is never perfect, and often it's terrible. So terrible that the unaccounted losses that we don't know about can often be bigger than all the ones that we do record. Understanding and quantifying what causes the difference between actual and theoretical capacity provides essential insight when it comes to increasing the actual capacity. So often, companies consider their current actual capacity as the fixed law of the world. That's just the way it is. That's all we've got. I suppose we'll just have to hire more people and more machines. To increase output capacity, the place to start is to study and evaluate causes of lost time on the essential bottleneck resource. Find the biggest that you can impact and set about reducing and removing those causes. Just understanding that there's a difference between theoretical and actual capacity and what causes it is a big point though. So when someone says the capacity of their process system is blah blah units per day, ask, is this just the best they have been able to do or the best they know it could do?